All right. You gotta hold it still for a second so Grandma can get a picture of it too.
Not in front of your face. Hold it down just a little bit. There you go.
See what else you got. Boy, you're making out like a bandit today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a ton of stuff.
You got the cards, buddy.
Oh, that you're going to have fun with.
What's that? What did you drop? See what it is. All right, rubber duckies for the bathtub. Hold still so Grandma can get a picture. Good job. Okay, set it down. Let's see what else is there.
And there's a balloon.
Here. Hang on, hang on.
That was cute.
Get it? Hang on. Oh, did you?
What's that, Christopher?
I got it.
Did you do it?
What is it?
Oh, it's cute.
Turns yellow in the sun.